Welcome back to my channel, you all. I am Monique D, and today we are going to construct a DIY candy bouquet. So here's the ingredients that's needed. Yeah, just go ahead and grab any of the chocolates, candies, whatever you want to use. You need some wood skewer sticks. I got some double-sided 3M tape, but you could just use regular tape. Grab you some scissors. Look, I have some ribbon, and I'm actually going to use this this styrofoam and this tissue paper to kind of make it look cute. But instead of using a box, guess what? We're going to use a cup. So you could get the cup of your choice. I am using a, in this case, it's just a red cup. So my mom is going to be the one doing it, you all. Today I am back just doing a commentary on this. So here goes. So the first thing she's going to do is, because of the type of cup that we're using, she is actually taping the lid to the bottom, because you want to get something, well, at least we did, we wanted to get something that is reusable, because, you know, a lot of times when you get these gifts and stuff, you have the container and it looks real beautiful, but we want to make it where it's universal, where you can just go ahead and have something that you can reuse at a later date. So that was the ultimate purpose of this. So now what we did was we went and just grabbed some styrofoam. You could get styrofoam from anywhere, and we cut it to the size of our container. So if you got a box, just cut it to the size of the box. But since we have a cup, we cut it to the size of the cup. Not we, you all. She did. My mom did. So now she's just wrapping that styrofoam in tissue paper. Get whatever tissue paper of your choice. You know, they have different types, such as the silver, the glitter, whatever you want to do for whatever holiday or theme that you're trying to do this with. So she's putting it in there, she's fluffing it out, and she is just trying to make sure that at the end it's going to look very nice and full. So go ahead and fluff it out, do whatever you need to do in order to get that centerpiece where it needs to be. Yep, so now you all, it is time for the candy. So the lucky part about this candy is, and most candies are like this, so be careful. It really depends on what you're using. They have that little flap on the back, right? And with that flap on the back, sometimes it makes it easier to conceal the stick that you're using. So what she's going to do is she's going to take the candies, and she is going to find out, okay, is this flap going to be able to conceal the stick? And if it doesn't have a flap, you can still go ahead and use that candy. You know, you just tape it to the back. It's not a big deal, because the centerpiece is going to be so beautiful anyway that everybody pretty much is going to focus on the front. So we have this 3M clear double-sided tape that she's going to cut, and she's just going to go ahead and put it on the candy wrapper, and she's going to put the wood skewer directly on there. And like I said, if you don't have the 3M tape, I've seen plenty of people, and she's made plenty of them where she just used regular Scotch tape. So whatever works for you, you all, please don't go out and make it a little bit more difficult than what it is. So after she put it on, now it's time to go ahead and start creating your centerpiece. And she's gonna go ahead and just push it on. So you want to have some type of idea of how you want it to be arranged, you know, so you just don't want to go stuffing it in there. And if you do, it's still going to look beautiful anyway, because they're going to be so excited to have like this this customized, you know, centerpiece right here. I've seen this in the store, and I said, hey, you know, we can make this for way less, where you get way more candy for it. And the smaller the container you use, the less candy you have to use. Like if you use a teacup, you all, you know, they'll be so happy for just having that. You don't have to always use the big pieces, but she had somebody in mind that we were doing this for, and they are Reese fanatics, so we wanted to make sure that we really surprised them. So she's going to take a little bit of time to go ahead and tape the back of all of them. So I'm just going to let you all go ahead and watch this. We'll probably speed it up a little bit. She is putting it on there right now. Yep. The hardest thing is, and it's really not that difficult, but in this video, just making sure that the front of the centerpiece was shown to you all. She's pretty much just trying to create the centerpiece like backwards, without looking at it. So, hey, well, that's way more skills than I have. I can't even do that. So I just enjoy watching. I enjoy the final product. And she even made some, like, the boxes. She made a box. You know how you get some flowers and it comes in a box? She took this at the end and she put it in a box, laid it down, put it in like a, you could get like a white shirt box. And she took that tissue paper and made a little flower. It was so beautiful. We should have took a picture of that at the end. So now she have all of them taped. She's just going to go ahead and tape this last one and get ready to arrange it. Get ready to arrange it. I've never been as creative as my mom. And so I definitely commend her for, being as creative as she is. However, whenever I need something, guess what? I know who to call. And she really enjoys it. She's been doing this for years. Growing up, I've seen her create all kind of masterpieces. And I've always told her, hey, you should have, take pictures of these things. And she usually doesn't do it to sell. She just do it out the kindness of her heart to, just make others happy. So I really appreciate that. And I appreciate you all coming to watch this video. I really appreciate it. And she's just taking all the tape off, and I'm saying it like you all don't see it. I know you see it. Yep. And you just got to decide. Now, when you get your candy, try to make the color scheme go with something. You know what I mean? Like, it's kind of weird to explain. So in this case, we had like all Reese's. That was the theme. Or you may have like a black cup, and you may choose candies or items that complements the black cup. So just be mindful at what you're doing. And we try to get different types of Reese's. Like, we got the Hershey's Reese's, we got the white chocolate Reese's, we have the Reese's bar. I've really never seen that. And then we got the box of Reese's. So, and this video is really longer than anticipated. But hey, you all get the idea. Yep, just go ahead and find a way to arrange the candies so that way it's kind of balanced. You don't want it just in there. You want to have it like how she had the two Reese's, one on the left, one on the right, and then she had the main box in the middle. So you want to have it where it's some kind of balance. And in this case, again, she's doing it blindsided. She doesn't see the front because the camera is actually in front. So she's just trying to, organize it where it's well balanced. So we'll go ahead and get through this. Again, you all, this is a do-it-yourself candy bouquet. You can use it for anything, any holiday, any occasion. Just because times like now, people just need, extra support. So you can get a small cup. You all have all those teacups in your cabinet. I know you do have all those teacups in your cabinet that you donate year after year after year. Just take one. Take one. You can go to the store and get the styrofoam, the little green styrofoam out of the gardening area where the artificial plants are, and you can just throw some together, you all, and bless someone else. Yep, and just bless someone else. Yep, so it's getting full, as you can see. So she broke off that part of the stick because she wanted to balance it out with the 4 white Reese's. Yep, she wanted to balance it out with the 4 white Reese's. And that extra candy bar that's left on the table, I think it was a little bit, I think she kept it out because at that time it was full. So you just got to be mindful of everything. So here it is, you all. It is beautiful. It is full. The person that received it was extremely happy. It was customized. You can leave it on your desk, and you can have people like ask questions about it. Like, it's just a beautiful centerpiece. It lasts as long as you don't eat the candies. So here it is. This is the do-it-yourself candy bouquet created by my mom. Look at it, you all. And you can actually go as far as having it double-sided. So thank you all so much I appreciate you all. Please subscribe to our channel. Have an amazing day.